How to change Instagram chat theme back to normal. For this, first up, open up the Instagram app and then open the chat you want to change the theme back to normal of. As you can see, the chat theme here is chosen different. Here, in order to change it back to normal, first click on the account name at the top and then this will open a new page. You can see the theme set to Christmas. Beside the theme option, you can see an arrow. Click on the arrow and this will open a new pop-up where you can see all the different kinds of themes. Scroll down until you see a default option. Under the colors and gradients, you can see the default option is the first one. Choose the default option and then you can see that your chat theme has been changed back to default.